For this washing machine application, the LED will blink with their own style, indicates the user to fill the container with the water. And now the motor will rotate in forward and reverse mode to wash the clothes. The buzzer will ringing, finish the operation. Now motor will rotate again, but in reverse and forward mode for spinning operation. All LED will blink during the operation, and the buzzer will ringing, indicate finish the operation. LED will blink with different style, indicate finish the operation.